In this video, we'll look at integer division where 0 is our dividend. Our question is to use black and red tiles to model integer division 0 divided by -4 and to use a non-empty array. We'll start with our divisor -4, edge set 1 at the left. We use 4 red edge pieces. Now we fill in the array for 0, the dividend. We must use a non-empty array. Here we use 4 red and 4 black tiles. Remember, each column must have the same color of tiles. Since there are 4 rows, that tells us we need 4 red and then 4 black tiles to have an equal number of black and red tiles in our array. Now we fill in edge set 2 at the top. We fill in 1 black edge piece and 1 red edge piece. Remember, red times black is red, and red times red is black. Now we determine the quotient, the net value of the top edge set. We have 1 black and 1 red edge piece, so this is 0. Let's check our work. Another way to think of the division sentence A divided by B equals C, or A over B equals C, is to think of the corresponding multiplication sentence A equals B times C. In this case, 0 divided by -4 equals 0 is equivalent to -4 times 0 equals 0. We know that -4 times 0 equals 0. Our work checks. Our answer is we found that 0 divided by -4 is 0. The quotient of 0 divided by -4 is 0. In our final model, edge set 1 at the left is red, and edge set 2 at the top and the array have an equal number of black and red pieces or tiles. The net value of our solution, the quotient, is 0. Here's an observation. There's nothing special about -4 other than the fact that it is a non-zero integer. You can imagine that no matter what non-zero divisor you have, you'll have a similar result. For example, if we look instead at 0 divided by +4, you will see again that the quotient is 0, as illustrated in the final array and edge piece model at the right. Notice the arrangement of the black and red edge pieces in edge set 2 at the top are different. They're just reversed from the first one. And you can imagine that no matter what non-zero divisor you have, you'll have a similar result.